Hello everyone, welcome to Bambatha Kamancuza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka kuma brothers keeper kusukela ngomsombuluko ngomhla ka 3 February 2025 kuya ngolesihlanu mhla ka 7 February 2025. Ngomsombuluko ngomhla ka 3 February 2025 uDoreen brings a suit for Nqubeko. Will he be granted bail or not? While Mshengu and Mamchunu find peace, Doreen and Mamchunu have a cat's fight. Ngolesibili mhla ka 4 February 2025, Mshengu is troubled when he realized that Mamchunu hides behind God and refuses to face reality. Meanwhile, a charged up Doreen fights tooth and nail for her troubled son Nqubeko. Ngolwesithathu mhla ka 5 February 2025, Mshengu loses his cool and teach Donga a lesson. Dumiso's advice are turned down, leaving him sober. Fakazile and Maga celebrate. Ngolwesine mhla ka 6 February 2025, Nqubeko causes a struggle at Eshumayeleni. The gloves are off. Fakazile disappointment in critical moment at the altar. Dumiso is head over heels in love with City, but the love is one-sided. Ngolesihlanu mhla ka 7 February 2025, Nqubeko opens a can of worms when he shows his brother the video of Tutuka and it backfire. Fakazile emotion get better of her and she make a big mistake. Ngiyabamba lana ungakhohlwa ucindezela notification bell nokusubscribe noma ushiye umbono wakho. Bye.